Into Thin Air by John Crackhead. Chapter 7 one pager by
Carissa Gowna.
Luis Gonzalez.
Michael Linus.
Andrea Meza.
and Big Dad Jordan Vasquez.
Chapter 7, Camp 1, April 13th, 1996, 19,500 feet.
Poem, Thoughts and Feelings, John Krakauer. John, American writer, plane, camping, mountain, summit, ascending, descending, celebrating, imminent disaster, Krakauer. Krakauer.
The slopes of Everest did not lack for dreamers in the spring of 1996. The credentials of many who'd come to climb the mountain were as thin as mine, or thinner. When it came time for each of us to assess our own abilities and weigh them against the formidable challenges of world's highest mountain, it sometimes seemed as though half the population at base camp was clinically delusional. It relates to the overall book because people without much knowledge of climbing various mountains would only want to climb Mount Everest because it's very commercialized.
Question 1. What is the main theme of the overall chapter? The overall theme of the chapter is everyone's dream in the eyes of John. John seems to believe that everyone dreams to reach the summit, but not because they really want to, but because they can. He tells about various people who've tried reaching the summit, but failed to because of their recklessness. Question 2. Why does John share the different stories about the attempts to reach the summit? He feels as he should share this with people because it shows how many people wanted to reach the summit for their experience rather than climbing it because of their experience. Question 3. What are the two types of climbers with John? Though there are plenty of amateurs here with John today, there are also many experienced climbers. For example, there's Cleve Showing, former member of the U.S. Olympic ski team, and his uncle Peter Schilling, a Himalayan legend. There's also Charlotte Fox, who has already reached the peak of 2 mountains above 8,000 meters, all who are on Fisher's team.
Words of Chapter 7. Nepal. Mountain climbers. Dreamers. Disaster. Experience. Canada. South Africa. John Krakauer. Dreamers. Taiwan. Expedition.
We believe
That people should climb Mount Everest because they want to, not because they can and feel like it.
we believe
That having the experience should help demonstrate your ability to climb and be able to reach the summit.
we believe
That John doesn't fully want to be there and is mostly there because he has to.